My name is Mike Macabre, and welcome to the graveyard. As always, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my reaction videos, Friday Night Frights, mouthing off with Mike Macabre, or whatever else I'm doing on this channel. But on tonight's episode, obviously we have another Friday Night Frights with Resident Evil 4 Remake, The Chainsaw Demo. Yes, indeed. Love me some Resident Evil. I I don't remember Resident Evil 4 so much. I did play it a lot. I remember bits and pieces here.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night.
Won't happen.
Pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Great visual so far. Inky blackness. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation, having distinguished itself, yada 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 yada, Village Europe, past trauma, yeah. Very dark. Right click, left click, WSAND. See what's taking so long. Got some boots. Shift. Okay. Some random candles. Left or right? Well, it looks like we can't go left, so we'll go right.
How far could he have gone?
It's gross. Need to crouch or stand, that's new. Stunning graphics though. It might be too much for my 2070 RTX. There's stuff in the background, can't quite hear what it is.
Anyone home?
Okay, I think that was the door behind me. I don't have anything to do that, so. Oh, the old chant.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Covelo, Covelo.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Mario, I couldn't. Castano. Did he snap his neck? Looks like it. Ugh. Grab the key.
This is not good.
Come on, quick check around, see if there's anything.
Man, that stinks.
Right click, okay. National Police Corps. Mario Fernandez Castano. What the hell's the door? Oh, there it is, duh. I was like, I couldn't see. I love the little imagery and the occultist nature of them. Damn rat. I cannot read what that says.
Hey!
Brutal.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Escape from the Hunter's Lodge. Ready, weapon, shoot. Oh, we're getting ready.
What
Uh-oh.
was that? No fucking way.
Mad jukes. Fucking slash. Oh, shit. Very disorientated. And the problem is I can't really see. Where the hell's the door? Tab. Use. There's the door. Let's go, let's go. I definitely need to adjust some of the settings here. What is this? Judgment is nigh. Crude charm. Alright, let's hold up a second. I gotta... is it display? I gotta turn up the brightness on this. There, that's much better.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Uh-oh.
Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
Head for the lake. Damn fucking crows. Definitely hear stuff in the background. Got your old yield save. Where's the ink ribbon? Got gunpowder, I assume for crafting. That's pretty gross. Yes, more bullets. Pesetas. I don't remember if that's what they were originally called in the original RE4. Oh, already got stabbed. There's traps in this game? What the hell?
Damn it.
I fell right for it. Craft, I assume, but I'm pushing. Oh, you have to hold it. Okay. Flash grenade. We know all about those from Resident Evil 7 and 8. Okay, just a random falling human head. Because that isn't creepy. Uh-oh. I'm not sure. Oh, binoculars. Okay, I'm like, what the hell? Oh, and he's alive. That is terrible.
Here we go.
Oh, Jesus. Someone pick some of that stuff up. Oh, I forgot they could throw. Oh, mad jukes. Run, 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 run. I think I remember about that. Let's get a quick heal here. Oh, God. Goosebumps. Oh, I love that guy. But not in a good way. Oh, shit. I'm in the corner. Whoa! That's new. Space. Space. My knife broke. Get out of my way. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go. Get the church bells ringing.
Huh?
Is this supposed to survive?
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir.
Still got my heart pumping.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Hmm. 16 minutes, 13 killed. Good money acquired. Alright, ghouls and ghosts. That's going to be it for this episode of Friday Night Frights with Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. Definitely the hype is real for this game. I absolutely loved it. My heart's still pumping. But as always, if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my Friday Night Frights reviews and reactions, or mouthing off with Mike Macabre. But as always, ghouls and ghosts, stay scared.